Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript in HTML and JavaScript being an event-driven programming language. So let's get started. Which it means that on some sort of a button, there has to be a program that runs. Okay. So let me just be back to the file. Yeah. And over here, what we'll do is I'll write the first program. I already have kept the HTML and the body tag there so that that's by default for every program. And so I'm for just writing my heading. I'm saying my question is what is the time, and JavaScript is supposed to display that. So that's my question. And yeah, let's write the button script. Type is equals to button, and what we want is on click. It should get the time function, so that is docu document dot get element by id, and that's demo. Yeah, and dot inner html, which is equals to date function, and this button is supposed to give me supposed to contain something. So I would say time button, close the button tag, and then just give the paragraph something, just paragraph id is equals to demo, so that it comes into a paragraph. Then close the paragraph. Then the body is there. Let me just go ahead and copy everything. This is the HTML file. Paste it there. Press Ctrl S. Open the HTML file in the browser. Okay. So you can see the question is there. What is the time? My button is there. Let me zoom in. Yeah, the button is there. That did not give anything. Let's see. We have the heading. We have button type is button. It's on click. Document dot get element by id, get element by id small, then demo dot inner html, space is not there. Yeah, no space, which is equals to date function, then the button function, then paragraph id is demo, html body is there, html is there. Let me press Ctrl S again. 5. Yeah, so as soon as I click on it, maybe there was the click issue. So as soon as I click on it, you can see that the standard Indian time is displayed. Now to the next program, in which what we'll want to do is Um, we just want some value to be in a JavaScript, and then we'll use it in the next program. So um, inside the script, let's yeah, let's change this one. Let me just say text value, and then I don't need the button right now. Yeah, and earlier we had the paragraph as demo as well. In this one, um, yeah, let me just have a paragraph to be displayed. Then I have my paragraph ID. Yeah, then the script. So the script will contain our values. That would be useful in the next one. Again, using a function document dot get element by id demo dot inner html, which is equals to, yeah, this is like the script. And let's end it. End the script, then copy it, paste it, press Ctrl S, back to the HTML file, press F5. So you can see that directly these all values are displayed. Now we'll use it in the next program. When we click a button, there has to be some new value displayed. So yeah, and then the paragraph is there, and the paragraph, yeah, after the paragraph we are adding some button, button, type button, then on click, trigger my function, which is change text, then the button closes. Okay, and in this demo we want to say that this is like initial text, and then inside the script we have inside the script is function, yeah, inside the script we have a function which is, yeah, and give it a name which is function is my function. That's the function. Start the function, document.get element by id, and then demo is already there. Inner html is script, which is that's the script we have defined. Yeah, let's just keep it. Yeah, let's just copy everything and see what comes out. Control S, F5. Okay, so you can see that this is like we have said text value, paragraph to be displayed, change text button is there. Let's see. Okay, that did not change it. Let's see. That didn't change anything. F5 didn't change. Okay, let me see. Hmm, paragraph is there. So button is there. Button type button on click. My function click button. Then PID is there. Initial text. Then script. Okay, I haven't closed. Okay, I haven't closed this one. Yeah, press Control S, F5. So now I click on this one. As soon as I click on change text, the text, like, let me just show it again. Initial text change it to script. That's what we defined it. And I think that's it for this video, because we have more of JavaScript coming up in the next